home buying process. Someone has gotten pre-approved, signed you, hired you as their realtor. Now you found them their dream home. What happens next?
The discussion actually starts in regards to what area they want to move into. The pre-approval really kind of helps them out to make them understand, okay, what is your true price point that you can go into? And then we start a discussion on what area they really want to go into. Once we decide on the area, we start doing our research. I show them a few houses, kind of get an idea, gauge them to see if they really do like these houses or not. And based off of that, we'll start tweaking other options if it comes necessary. So the next step would be that once the contract gets signed, it's executed, the buyer has within 3 days to turn in their option fee. Along with the option fee, they have to turn in their earnest money as well. So both of these items get sent to the title company. Once the title company receives it, the buyer has a time period, which is called the option period, to start their process of doing an inspection.
From contract to close, how long roughly are we talking about?
Typically, loans would close within 30 to 45 days. If you're paying cash, you can speed up that process.
3 days before they get something that's called a closing disclosure, the CD. What is the purpose of that? What can they expect to see on there?
So the closing disclosure is basically a statement that allows the buyer to know what the terms are for their loan. On the other end, you will also get another statement that's going to be from the title company. That statement is going to be your settlement statement. The settlement statement basically outlines any information regarding the cost that's associated with purchasing your house and what amount you need to bring to closing. Make sure that you look at that amount and bring in either a cashier's check or a wire payment that you can send to the title company.
How long is the closing process, the day of the closing, and explain that a little bit to us.
Most banks, they end up closing wire payments and everything by 2-3 o'clock, so within 1 day.
Okay, so the actual signing of the paperwork and doing everything there at the title company, probably an hour, hour and a half.
Oh yeah, sometimes less.
If you want the keys on the same day, one tip would be to try and get it done before 3 o'clock. These things, realtors may not tell you, your title company may not tell you, the lender may not tell you. If you're looking to get your home closed and funded on a certain day, you need to express that to your realtor. A lot of people don't plan. That's the purpose of today's show and every show, to help you identify problems before they happen.